Welcome to Monday's dictation, week 6. We've got 2 sentences to write, so make sure you've got the word dictation at the top with the date, which is the 17th. The first sentence has 4 words in it. 4 words. My back is strong. My back is strong. So we'll take the first 2 words, my back. Make sure you have a capital letter. Is strong. What do you need at the end of the sentence to tell me it's the end? Now, if you are having trouble, just pause it when you need to and catch up. My back is strong. The second sentence, so you need a new line. My sister is little. That's another 4 words. My sister is little. First 2 words, my sister. Is little. Just do your best to sound it out. So the first sentence is, my back is strong. Second sentence, my sister is little. Okay, look it over. If you need to change some letters around, if you're not sure, use your eyes. Your eyes will also tell you if a word is right, and just do your best.